Welcome to Pencil Paper Pals.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be drawing this super fun cartoon snake who I've lovingly nicknamed Sammy Snake. So let's get started. So we'll slide him up there as our reference. Grab the texter or the pencil you're going to use, and we will start today with his eyes. So they will help you sort of ground where his head goes. So we're going to put them up sort of in the top, this sort of top corner of your page. So we want to draw one eye slightly bigger than the other eye, which gives him that fun cartoon look. So one eye here, and then next to that eye, coming off the side here, we're going to draw the next eye, but just make it slightly smaller. Two little dots in the center. If you wanted to make him a little bit goofy, you can put your dots in different positions, and that'll give him a bit of a funky, goofy look. His big round head. So from one side of the little eye, we're going to come around in a big circle, and we're going to come all the way up to there. And that gives us Sammy's head. Now, snakes have a little fork tongue. So we're going to do his little tongue coming off to the side. So one line, two lines, and then a Y shape. Looks like a bone, I suppose, but there's his little tongue. And now for his body. There's no right or wrong way to draw the body. It's just a squiggle, but whatever you do, whatever shape you do with your squiggle, or however many squiggles you do, the best way to get his body to look in proportion is to follow the similar amount of squiggles at the top. So we're going to do sort of, we're going to come down, we're going to go 1, 2. So we'll come down, we'll go one big one, up, another one, and then we're going to come up to his little tail like that. So to follow these back around, we're going to do the same thing again and come up to the neck. So we're going to finish off his little tail, which is a bit thinner than the rest of his body. And we're going to come up and we're going to go out about here, so we keep the nice thickness of his body going. And we're going to follow this line the same kind of way. And we're going to come down, and now as we start to go back to the head, we can sweep back up again and join it up. There we go, just like so. There's our Sammy Snake. Now, I'm going to do stripes on this snake like I did on this one, but you could do spots, or you could do big lines if you wanted, or you could just leave him plain and just have a plain green or purple or pink snake. It's up to you. But I'm going to do these lines because I want to do a rainbow snake today because I'm feeling happy. So we're going to draw our little lines or our pattern, whatever you're drawing. You do that. If you want to follow along with me, these are what my little lines kind of look like. Oh, actually, I was about to stop, but I just realized if you want to give him some little eyebrows or sort of help with his expression, just draw 1 and 2 little curved lines just above his eyes there, and it kind of looks like he's going, Oops. Now, I am going to give my snake a colourful look, and I'm going to do it I think I might do it in pencil today. So we're going to start with some blue. Red. I'm going to use every colour except for green because I'm actually going to make him a green snake. I think I would like to do that for him. There we go. Yellow. Oh, I like that. That's fun. Too boring not to be colourful. Life's too short not to be colourful, is that what I'm trying to say? Life's too short not to be colourful. Life's not boring. Hey, hey. All right, and last colour I think was this one. And then, oh, I love him. Okay, and then we're gonna get our green, and I might do him this sort of grass. Oh, I didn't do his tongue. Okay, we're gonna give him a red tongue. I think that's better. We like that. Sammy the snake. Here we go. All done. thanks for joining me today, guys. This was super fun. If you enjoyed doing this, don't forget to give my video a like or a comment, and always subscribe. I've currently got 62 subscribers, so that is awesome. I'm so glad you're all here. And I look forward to seeing you on my next video. Bye!
Don't forget to like and subscribe.